Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to give your photos a dreamy, soft-edge look without learning complicated software, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you step by step through how to soften the edges of any photo in Canva, a super easy method that you can start using right away. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create beautifully faded edges, perfect for Instagram posts, presentations, or just giving your images a more professional flair. Let's go ahead and dive in. First, open up Canva. If you don't already have an account, don't worry, it's free and super easy to set up. Once you're in, head on over to the purple Create a Design button at the top right of your dashboard. Give that a click, and before you choose a template, look for the Custom Size option. Here, where some magic starts to happen, type in a width of 100 pixels and a height of 50 pixels. These dimensions are just for practice. Think of it as your safe playground to experiment and really see how the edge effect works before moving on to your actual project sizes. After the blank canvas loads, it's time to bring in your photo. You can upload your own image or choose one from Canva's library if you just want to test things out. Once you've selected your photo, right-click on it and select Set Image as Background. This makes sure the photo fills the entire space edge to edge, which is important because we want those softened sides to look seamless. Now here comes the trick that creates those gorgeous faded edges. Head to the Elements tab and look for a basic shape. A rectangle or even a circle could work, but a rectangle matches our canvas nicely. Drag the shape onto your design and then click and drag its handles so it covers the whole background. Make sure there's no photo peeking out from underneath. We're going to use this shape almost like a mask or a gentle filter. With your shape selected, look for the Color Palette or Color option in the top toolbar. Click on it and you should see the option to add new color. Here, where you'll find gradients specifically, choose the Circular Gradient option. This is key. It allows the color and transparency to fade in a smooth way from the center out to the edges, which mimics that soft, blurred edge look that you're after. But we're not done yet. By default, the gradient might just start with 2 colors. To really get that delicate fading effect, you'll want to add 3 more gradient points. Canva makes this simple. Just tap to add a stop along the gradient slider. Think of these points as handles for adjusting how quickly or smoothly the edge fades out. The more stops you add, the more control you get over the effect. Now for the magic moment. Click on the first gradient color and look for the transparency or opacity option. You usually get a slider or a checkerboard icon. Slide it all the way down to transparent. Do the same thing for your next 2 color stops. By making these stops transparent, you let more of your photo show through in the center while the outer edges fade away, which is exactly the effect we want. And that's it. You've softened the edges of your photo with just a few clever moves. Give it a moment. Sometimes adjusting those gradient stops takes a little bit of tweaking to get the look you want. Don't worry if it's not perfect on the first try. You can always move the gradient stops or adjust the transparency until you love the result. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're feeling excited to experiment with your own photos in Canva. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any trouble, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy and creative tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.